People have been calling me saying they beat. Who they beat? too. Since morning coverage now on my live video, you're doing live video. I go set around 2 o'clock, go check work for sites. People are planning for the whole day. You carry face up.
These are non-indigenous. These are non-indigenous causing problem in our state. And I don't already know, so you are not part of us. We are not going to destroy our state. Maybe I want to be the one that beat me.
They beat Mike. 5 years ago video. What do you want to make? Then when they drive down my former Benz before I buy GLE. Also, I felt drive normal ML before. If I come back, go swap to GLE. That my old Benz. That make this prank. That Benz in my company again. Did I have that Benz in my company again? About that poor you speech. Poor! This how you will be deceiving Edo people. The last time you go do prank for your house, say you want to chop a duro for abroad. And so I was saying they fight for Nigeria. You chop a duro for abroad. You go all those your holy days house when you build. The last time I watched you in South Sandra, say you built Gateman duplex, rise. You don't even have want to counter off it. No one you have to even show off. Say yes, this is I'll be doing my life. Your Obazee rule for 8 years. Where you go abroad if you do rule well? Eh? See Edo today. Edo no good, no road for Edo State. Everywhere is bad. Usman, the past government. And very soon this APC government will join again. When the people very soon go join. Me work for APC. Me, I will not carry myself come as an APC I'm going to work for. APC will be very soon will become Nigerian APC. Very soon it will become even this PDP of itself. Who used to call PDP, it will become UNA with the Nigerian youth. Because you did among who spoil Edo State. You did among. Obazee rule for good 8 years. You don't show off any bad road of Obazee. You show them. I mean to the bad full level. Even government has not get road. See them. See they beat me. That be Nigeria problem. I don't want to reply you against his name because of you have been trying to drag me. Because I'm making dollars. Hear me so? I'm doing well. How about be guided? I don't want to reply you again. But I'm going to say they come for phone. But Michael, they beat you. We will beat you. I don't receive the money. Call my friends, they call me. I can see. Now, only days ago video now. I don't do what type of prank. I don't go inside market. We bath pet inside market. I don't build my house. I break my house glass. And that's how they do prank. That's the time. And you see idiot. It will be silent. Yellow. This slave. Please, no blogger should encounter this video because Albert is we want your children now. I swear don't lose for court. I swear don't lose for court. You see, he don't lose for court now. Albert is hungry, trying his best to make sure say he see food chop. You see, so now he won't trade with Lala News.
I'm not tribalistic. So. We are hospitable wherever you don't believe. Anybody is stable. In fact, they're not the people. We don't do those things here. But when you get another background, never
necklace. I become a Benin boy. My mom is a Benin woman. Who go on better than man. Don't worry yourself. Who they kill yourself? Who go go out?
When they destroy the government, when they destroy the people, when they do attack people, arrest them.
Who go go out? They mad.
You see when they get displaces, so very soon, all of them will go identify as our enemies. We're going to figure out for the day. The people are
the last time you cost my mama in the place.
This boy betrayed me. He has betrayed almost everybody who come in contact with this Brodamike. Betrayal.
The last time this idiot they cost my mama, they also pass it, better pass my mama. Don't worry. You come in now.
Amadi encouraged this boy to betray me when Amadi knows what I do for this boy. If you, in that before when they speak for the masses, as you come
I beg, see the best. So go on, go about. See the best. Sir, you see the best? My old best, so 5 years ago, my old best, so they see I'm about to go on, go. See how? My old best.
These oppressors must leave our land.
God punish you. If your papa get this and go, no, God will punish you about. Ogun on boy, they crazy. They mad. Ogun on boy. Come in now. You believe I be come in now. Come your state. Come and say come first now. You they mad. You betray all adult people. They pay you money. You betray all adult people. Since when PDP can lose, they mad. Last time you cost my man, I look you laugh. They mad. Oh boy. Come in now. You don't fight all your adult brothers. Fight everybody for Edo State. Even if they beat me, it concern you. It concern you. A big person they beat. Eh? What girl? They mad. The last time this idiot cost mama, cost my papa. The last time. They say, you know the cost people parents are be. How about see, a family man, be guided. Be guided. Face your children. Be guided. Nobody ready for Bini. Nobody ready to fight for. No. Obazee what you they fight for now. Which position he give you? About. Yeah? How this state governor take help your family members now? Who will help? Eh? Are you senator? Are you minister? Are you the deputy governor? All those places I mentioned now, maybe people be standing for those places. Not to get serious. You can't get me 5 years ago video the children, people they come for phone, even mama they come for phone self. They give mama BP. They're mad. All of now when they carry the video, we carry this kind of video so they do and say, in fact, don't worry. You want to no worry.
For no people.
See page. Everywhere for your page that people matter.
Una will start for my bag for me to succeed. Now, Tony Kabaka.
Okay.
Were you in the audio?
Anyway, that one.
Brother Mike, I tell you.
Samuel, I didn't know
who you be.
Okay.
You be Igbo boy when they create problem for the state.
How about and that Igbo boy will kill you? That way Igbo people do now for this country. Una go die very soon. That's the way Igbo people do now for this country. Una go see them very soon. Everywhere from Nigeria, I say Igbo. No. Igbo not be Nigeria. Eh? That's the way Igbo do now for this country. Una go see them very soon. Here's the reason why today enough for better. See, all the people fighting Igbo will never evil better region half. No. Waiting concern Igbo, now they are beating me. Now, example say they beat me. And I prank. Wait now. And I prank, and it's not your business.
You don't know, I don't know identify you.
Watch now. Listen.
Brother Mike, I tell you.
Okay.
I don't know who you be.
Okay.
You be Igbo boy when they create problem for the state.
You see,
I don't know, I don't know identify.
They will use Igbo from my mother's land. Ogun boy. Wow, about Ogun boy. They're mad. Company now. Company. They're mad. If not believe you there now, you for provide the people who beat me. Come punish you. They crazy. I know you are the mad. I know you are there for UK. Right? I know you are never seeing the rule. Because the PDP, are you PDP member? Eh? God punish you. Family man like me take see. Come. I'm gonna go see. Hello, how you doing? Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good, perfect. Family man like me, oh, get you there to take care of that. You see the maid. Come on. Okay, watch you. See my compound here. I don't even have that Benz here anymore. See my one car here. See my other car here. You see, see, I get Jeep Benz again. You see, that is useless Albert. He talk. Open gate for who they forget that place. I don't even have Benz again. I say my Benz. You don't take. Before I open this my house, I don't sell that Benz. Now the Benz I sell about television, this television. It's not working, right? Don't worry, I will subscribe it now. You see how? Go punish your head. Did they give fake information for this thing? They deceive your other people. They use they deceive some other people. The people listen to how bad it to go to school. Imagine 5 years ago video. Now you always see a year blog account. You see how? Giving fake information online. Even all those people when they can't say they fight ball java. So now old video for Obazee time. Old video. They give fake information. How about see me give you advice? I be family man. I get you there to take care of. Understand me so? So good, perfect. How about start from now a plan business to get for reach age of 17 years, 60 years. Me so because very soon people know if they take your line news again. See, the last time you use your house to create content. So about say they purchase for Nigeria. So because also to make about to say they come your man house, you go use that one to create content. We know those style already. Even when I build my house that time, I destroy the glass. So, and even my glass from my house, if you expensive pass your house, that my only days house one build. My mini estate one build that time. I destroy the evidence is there. It's online. You see, so you go to show your house, say, you want to chop a juggle, but say, they check it out for Nigeria, not for Nigeria. Now you know what you see. I do on my own on the peaceful protest. You come meet me, carry my video when I sign you. They talk. How about many of your video, my right manager, but I know bad like you. I'm telling you the facts. If you have enough my video now on your platform, if like, I never get you on Facebook again myself. I only post now on Facebook. I did this my chef for TikTok from morning to night. You see how? So I beg, stop talking about me. Rest for once. No be make PDP lose. This line with yourself, I didn't want to sabi am because I feel we won't talk about supposed to talk on that video. You see how? The last time you cost mama, you cost my pa because of Obazee. Now me, I beg a family man. Make God no go punish you. A family man. Respect yourself. Take time. See the video again, guys.
Before.
Everybody for being no good, and about good. Everybody for being no good, and about good. You didn't want to say destroy about us, They say destroy your house. Why hear the story? For you, I say, no. I say no. At least, I condemn the heart. I swear to God, if I let me die this night, I condemn the heart. Say, it don't make sense. If my person go do that, it don't really make sense. Why don't go to show this guy house now? At least, reach that essence of level. Before they hear some rumors say they send a prank, he go that they do. Say he go do prank. Say they try to jog awareness. Say they say they find out for Nigeria. But I did for Europe before. I give story now for Europe now. Say they find for Nigeria. Hear me so. For you to even relax for London there, get your documents. Protect yourself. Every time you go say, I be Igbo boy. I be Abba, my name is Brodamike. What the Igbo people do you about? About, I pour you spit. You better pass Igbo people. You grace. God punish you there. Mama come for Benin here. I don't know how you brought that to Osaro. They mad. Mama plays again. Can you even no? If you even get the man that you conquer Benin again, you don't fight all your bond about Obazee. Who is oh my God? Who is position they give you now? Now, person be deputy governor, senator, minister. Which one they give you? 43 years old man. 7 years before Tinubu go who finish be 50 years. This guy never get single sense. Before Tinubu go who finish become 50 years. Before Tinubu go who finish now because for 20 years. Now no one gets sense. Before Tinubu go who finish now because for the 20 years. But see your life. Every time.
Will protect you. But today they descend on you. Even with this guy, GRA chairman.
Now me stay. I say no. I don't want to fight VDM again. I say no. VDM is a young boy. Every time they call this young guy, go for those maybe a pastor or anything at all. Now I can say rest. No. So I'm not cause that guy again. Even if we talk about VDM or show advice, give us say VDM, don't like this, don't like this. I know the reason why, especially the old they go, you go live some kind of thing when go they do. See, so PDP, see, we basically the rule, one basically the rule Edo State, Edo now abroad. If Edo good now bad, go abroad. Like if family go abroad. See my children now. If the country really soft, you visit no go Africa, my picking go abroad. Can you pass fake information? My mom don't old, you give mama BP. I will say I hear the news today says now your mother give mama BP. Your man will touch ground. Don't worry now. The last time you cost mama B, don't worry. Sir.
For beat you well to tell you how to angry. Because you are working for APC, you, mama prick, when they call it mama prick, Cassie.
Anybody will not support Abat. Now you need to be. Anybody will not support Abat. Now you need to no go school. Now idiot. Now bad person is the enemy of the land. Any musician will not support Abat. Abat feel spoil the brand. When I support Abat that period, I want to give up my life. My page will go live for I swear that I don't say they get view if you don't cost person. If you don't find you get view. So that period, I be good person. That I will not be Igbo boy. That I be Benin boy. It always say Abba they come. Why if they do something that time when they all the park here? That time I be Benin boy. But if I say no, Abba, the state is falling. I'm saying today I made a video today. Wait first, I'm showing the video. You never see Abba. That also basically the rule. You see Abba make video like this. Mona no lie. Mona no lie. Jeramo, see yo.
From nothing to something, under your leadership, the God got you all this all. No long life.
Watch out, man.
Yes, I get this government. Don't ever leave my principal.
You don't see how bad see video like this. You don't want to see the rule.
I want to talk about two issues for this video. God no go leave the throne to come help Nigeria. Nigeria will keep on condemning because we in this country we always fight for our favorites. We all
because I swear now about favorite. They don't give about more than 500 million naira to the organization they bully people. See that about the house about the so. If you know how much Abat use that house, take collect for Benin people hand. Oh God. He purposely do one where he found the target time to do one. And then for a birthday period, he collects money woto. The edition house. House is the edition. So that glass no, if it took dear, yes, 250,000 naira. Well, only this glass now, only put what aside glass now. I had 250,000 naira. You understand me? So he purposely planned that content very well. Abad is a content creator. Then when I do content, I don't break that my jigsaw. I don't break the glass more than 5 times. I don't break my house glass myself. After they break, they do one. This video so even though no be real video, we see break glass video for this video. They play. I don't destroy. I don't burn generator. I don't burn bike for content. I don't burn sewing machine. I don't like fire for motor for content. What I never do for content. That's one bad. If you know how much about use at this scam for Edo people, you might ask yourself now. Who they for UK where we say it's not working? I'm on Facebook they pay now, self. I'm on Facebook they pay. About need a viral content to take achieve money from Facebook. Now my own idea. I do my TikTok for my own. I know about trouble. I know find out. The last time when they show about house, he dragged me. I no talk. He said about that time. I no talk. Today, no. Mama come to me for phone today. Friends, they call me Brodamike, they fight, they beat you. Which kind of fake news be this one about? Can't you stay without fake news? About, I don't move alone. Can't you stay without fake news? About be guided. You get family members, you get brothers, you get sisters. Not that they give you advice. Your head feels strong. Oh. Make others say no strong. Be careful. Everybody they swear for you. Be careful, don't too much. If your wife really love you, don't give you advice. Now remember what I did today. Oh. I did for my own today. Say you give fake news. If now you be, you know, if now you now as a mother, you get brothers like me. Eh?
You always fight for the things.
You go see me online say that they beat me. What will you do? What you go do? You see this video like this now say that they beat me. If I be your brother, what you go do? My plan for you. What you go do?
Okay, good.
Curtis,
Yeah.
Brodamike, I tell you, I don't know who you be.
Okay.
You be Igbo boy when they create problem for the state.
Igbo matter.
I don't know identify you.
Okay.
You see the beats when you see today.
You see how?
Before, when they speak for the masses.
Okay.
Everybody will go, hey, Brodamike.
Why you not speak for the masses? Why you not speak?
They descend on you. They go with this guy, GRA chairman.
Okay.
Will rescue you. They will beat you well to tell you how the masses are angry.
Okay.
When you are working for APC.
Okay.
Mama.
He's not making this video because say he trying to correct me. Oh. And that APC, he go become APC and the youth very soon. Even you about. Even your so-called PDP, it will become your useless PDP and APC very soon. Don't worry. Don't worry. Keep on deceiving yourself. Where the left face you face. They play that place. If you know how many adverts I've rejected for this my seat, very soon you go become una with APC and PDP and Nigeria. Now APC and PDP that is this country. APC so-called Abat, PDP, like they destroy this country. Abat was APC before. As Obazee switch enter PDP, pack money give them. Maybe now they give her that seat that time. Abat follow. Now, say about they say APC. Don't worry. Tinubu use the man tell us that himself say, if he not give us light, don't vote me in. And we go stand on that word. He promised us light. And we go stand good. You. Don't worry, you are not doing like someone saying you are the mouthpiece of PDP now. PDP mouthpiece, so that if time will reach, you're going to give you money. Any PDP man giving about money, now God will punish you. Any PDP man still giving about money for a foolishness, now God will punish you. And you about, don't worry. Make God keep us alive. Make that time come. May you come promote or useless PDP for this state. Or APC. These two parties, PDP and APC, they are very, very useless. Fake promises that they give. Fake. APC promised us like there's zero. PDP promised us this is zero. No worry. So.
Prick, when they talk about people, GRA
Yeah,
chairman,
no, so.
will rescue you.
APC.
To tell you how the masses are angry. Because you are working for APC.
So.
Mama Prick,
So.
when they talk about people, Cassie, Curtis, Egogo, these are non-indigenous. These are non-indigenous.
Okay, how about? Okay, how about you? Me now won't support your PDP now. What will be the good thing about your PDP about? Your PDP don't know before, Abi. Obazee know before, Abi. You see Obazee do school, he do road. About if Obazee really work, why you carry your family go abroad? Why? Eh? If your so PDP is good now, okay, fine. Nigerians support PDP, oh. PDP is coming, oh. But what is the good thing about PDP? My brother, believe me or not, if Nigeria they favor you, try to invest. This government is not for you. Fela cry about the failure of the government. Now, because of bad leadership by Fela, the man no get rest of mind, speaking the truth. You see, the man don't get my speaking the truth. And maybe the 2 days ago, I see video, very that man. If they don't approve your NGO money to start work, Tell us, make we drag these people. And that's a very that man. If they don't give approve your money to start work for the NGO, but we drag because that's why the last year he said, I mean last year, I don't know again. He said they never approve them. But this is why if government see who is talking, they say who is doing the right thing, they will use everything between the power. So Albert is just trying to make sure say he spoil my name for social media. Say if I'm an bad person, this one. Albert, I don't get any business when you want to attack me. You are attacking your Benin brothers now. The last time you attacked this guy, say about visa, you attack Tony Kabaka, about the government say they give a ticket, you attack everybody. Albert, he no get where you want to attack me. He no day. I know be you will be say that they give SSA to this job. I know my way for social media. I don't teach you things about social media. Me, I don't teach you things about social media. Even if it's your Facebook, so I don't teach you many things for your Facebook. You call me to ask of my assistant. You hear me? So I know my way. Since I enter TikTok now, and you and I want to live now, you say, come TikTok. Oh. Yes, you are offend TikTok dollars. That's why. People supporting Abba, giving Abba money, go for mental health. You go work your 8 hours, finish. You go work hard, suffer. Come and give this idiot. Yeah, Igbo. Don't worry now. I'll tell you, say.
You already know, say, you are not part of us. We will not come destroy.
Okay. And the police say, no, say, I'm not part of it now. What about it? Waiting cause issue between me and you for the first time. Not be a road matter. Limit road. They don't do one. How about this one? This criminal. This thief. This 419. Wait my money. When I give them. This criminal. If I see that my money, it must give my balance. Don't worry. That money, it must give my balance. If you have been funny and other people before, man will be different. Don't worry. Man meet you first. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will see you. Come and do. Come and do. Don't worry. I'll leave my man land. Eh? My man land. You have to beat my ass for my man. Be new man for that matter. Because I see no talk, I'll tell you, say, don't worry. That's the way you know I know. Don't worry. I need to talk the mumu.